Hi, I'm Santosh, a student at Government College of Engineering in Tanjavur. I'm currently interning at VAct Technologies, where I'm learning about embedded system and other technology. Today, I'm going to explain how to connect a Raspberry Pi 3 to a relay module and a LED in Frigid software. So, we are going to open the Frigid software. So, we're going to open the new sketch. You need this breadboard. So we need a LED, relay module, and a Raspberry Pi 3. This is a Raspberry Pi 3, the relay module, and a LED. The VCC of the relay is connected to 5 volt of the Raspberry Pi. The ground of the relay is connected to the ground of the Raspberry Pi. So, so the input in the Raspberry Pi is connected to GPIO 18. So okay, we can differentiate the wire colors. So we can give it as green. The positive wire has a red. The negative wire, the ground wire, black. So this is the input of the relay and this is the output. In this output, you can control a high power electrical devices with low power mode. We are using here as a 5 volt as a low power. Then you can use it as a 240 volt as a maximum. So just connect the wires, the red one. So we are going to connect this another pin to the positive terminal. So the connection, this relay acts as a switch. Now the negative terminal is connected to the cathode of the LED. So we can change the color to black. So this is a schematic diagram. So the Raspberry Pi is working in 3.7 volt input in GPIO 18, VCC to plus 5 volt, ground to ground. So the external power supply, the glow LED. This relay acts as a switch now. So this is the schematic diagram. Now moving to the hardware mode, the circuit is connected according to this schematic diagram. Now the Raspberry Pi is connected to the relay and the relay is connected to a LED. For a LED, we just needed an external power supply. So I had a Arduino UNO here. Opening Raspberry Pi, go to Accessories, File Manager, Documents. I just had this program relay.py here. the LED stop glowing. Thank you.